FreeCash.com. So basically, it is an earning site where you can do many different offer walls. As you see in the feature offer walls, there's games, tasks like you just got to register an account and get approved and you earn $16. Games where you just play and do certain tasks and you get up to 120 bucks. And then they also have survey offer walls right here, where you take about 10 minutes of your time to do a survey, get anywhere from like $1 to $5, even 20 bucks max, you know what I'm saying. Now if we go over to my profile here, you can see that I have 566,000 coins earned within 300 offers. That 566 coins is around $566, you know. Another good thing about the site, if you come here to rewards, they have this ladder every day where you can click double up, and people win like 12 bucks here just by doing it. Another 12 bucks, you know, so on and so on. Now, when you first start off the site, you're going to go over here to rewards, and it should be like a code redeem thing. You're going to type in my code LAGS, lags, and with that, you'll get 3 of these cases. And on top, if you earn another 1,000 coins on the site just by doing the surveys, which is $1, you get another 3 of these, which you can win up to $250. I've hit $2.50 when I first started, and you can win 25 cents and so on. Now, their cash out options is PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and bank transfer. All these gift cards and skins for other games. Now, if you came here for the Rust skins, you're gonna go ahead and cash out like Litecoin or any of these other cryptos, and go to like a gambling site that you play, and they usually have crypto depots, and go ahead and just depot in there, and you cash out yourself a skin or play on other sites. Now, yeah, so I can show you my other earnings so far. Earned 500 coins just from the ladder. They also have bonus codes on their Twitter, and so on and so on. Now, my biggest offer I ever did was $80, and it took me 2 days. And simple, easy like that. My favorites are these surveys down here. You do them, it takes you like, I don't know, 1 to 20 minutes, and you can earn up to $20. Usually it's around $1 or $5 though. But yeah, guys, this is the site. Make sure you come over here to rewards and type in my referral code LAGS, 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 and then with that you'll get yourself some free crates to get started. And yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you use the site to get some easy Rust skins or skins